it down, I'ma pick it up.
Oops, my bad. That's not a dancing video. This is supposed to be a cooking video. So hi guys, let's make shawarma, and these are some of our ingredients. We have sausage, we've had our cut up veggies, then we have we'll just fry our sausages a little bit and they're ready. Then we have our chicken, which we've already spiced, fried, and just chopping up into little bits. We also have our bread as well. I don't know what this bread is called, living bread. Does that make sense? Anyway, we have our mixture, which is our hens, tomato sauce and mayonnaise as well. That's what we use in mixing the salad. So we just mix everything together, the chopped up chicken, and the veggies. So we're just putting a little bit of our tomato sauce and mayonnaise as well. Mix, and say hello to our chef. Hi, Uncle Bawo. He's camera shy. So this is Lil Mama helping in the kitchen as well. Hi, Auntie Electra. Okay, so we start by lining our bread with some of that goodies so that it will not be pasty or dry. Then we now fill it in with our veggies. Just put as much as you want. Your shawarma will be as rich as you want it to be. After that, we put in our sausage, roll, and it's ready just like that. Then you heat it in. You can use whatever you want. We used the air fryer to air fry it, and shawarma is done. Guys, don't say I never did anything good for you. Oh yeah, tell me thank you in the comment section. I enjoyed this so much that I forgot to make a video of me eating it or when it was ready. And you can see what we're doing there, just lining the edges with a little bit of sauce just to help it, stick. So guys, tell me thank you in the comment section, and don't say I never did anything for you. And while that was going, my babies were serenading us. Listen.
Feeling like fuck off, let them get the buckshot. Dollar bill, I'ma show you